In this video, I'll show you how to change your default workflow user in Salesforce, so automated actions like emails, updates, and logs always have a consistent system identity behind them. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right and opening Setup or Advanced Setup to enter the administrative area where organization-wide settings live. Use the Quick Find search box on the left and type Process Automation Settings, then open that page because it centralizes options that control how workflows and flows behave. Locate the default workflow user field and begin typing the name of the user you want, selecting an active and stable account from the lookup to avoid gaps in ownership or confusing audit trails later. Many admins prefer a dedicated automation or integration user, so permissions and visibility remain consistent over time. After choosing the user, save the settings and the change applies immediately to future automated actions. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.